Hello, I am Melissa. I just wanted to pop on and tell you about our awesome December promo. So this is December of 2022, and we have a new distributor sign up promo just for this month. So if you sign up as a new distributor with SeneGence, you will get a Holiday Glam Kit with your qualified order. So we can go a little bit more into what your qualified order is later. But let me tell you what you would receive with this. So you will receive a pouty pink blush sense. This is a very wearable pink. It's a nice neutral pink cream blush. You will also get mulled wine lip sense. This is a very glam, deep, vampy lip sense color. Great for the holidays when you want to wear a bold lip at night. You get a glossy gloss, which is just our most moisturizing gloss. It's clear, it has shea butter in it. It will moisturize your lips. You can wear it alone or you can wear it with lip sense. A rose gold shadow sense. This is like hands down my favorite shadow sense color that I have used the most of. It's just a beautiful glittery rose gold color all over your lid. And it looks great, especially for the holidays. And then you also get a brow gel. So our brow gel is amazing because it has Capixyl in it. And this will actually help your brows grow. So this is clear. So it'll work for any brow color. And what I usually do is I usually use our brow cream and then I finish it off with the brow gel, which is an awesome product. So you get all of those goodies in a Holiday Glam Kit with your qualifying order if you sign up in December. So what is a qualifying order? A qualifying order is 300 PV, which as a new distributor, you're going to get 50% off 300 PV orders for 90 days. So that means if you place a $600 retail order, it is only going to be $300 for you. So 50% off. So this is a great way if you want some product for you, if you want to get some gifts at a discount. So when you sign up in December, place your 300 PV order, you will get that Holiday Glam Kit that we just discussed. It is worth $160 for free. Also, when you sign up as a new distributor, you get your lips kit. So your lips kit is going to come with 3 lip sense colors, a glossy gloss, a remover, and a business kit. When you sign up as a new distributor, you do have to pay a $65 sign-up fee. You can think of that like a Costco membership. It's an annual fee that you pay in order to basically get your wholesale discount. So $65 to sign up. You're getting your lips kit worth $131. So that more than covers your sign-up kit. Sign-up fee. And then you are also getting that Holiday Glam Kit in December when you place your 300 PV order. Also, if you are a new distributor, keep in mind you get free shipping at 350 PV. So a lot of times it's worth it to go up to the 350 PV so you don't have to pay for shipping either. Let me know if you have any questions. My contact information is below. If you are ready to sign up now, you can sign up also using the link below. And if you do a 300 PV order, you will also get a welcome gift from me. So I will reach out and contact you if you sign up, but feel free to also contact me if you have any questions at all. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. And I hope you have a great day.